Hello, today I would like to introduce you to the concept of Bluetooth spoofing. So, a little history before, Bluetooth is quite an old standard that is used mainly for exchanging data, first introduced in the year of 1998. Today it is commonly used for a lot of smart electronic devices such as laptops, smartphones, etc. And it operates in frequencies in a range of 2.4 to 2.48 GHz with a speed of about 2 megabits per second. Historically, Bluetooth has a lot of vulnerabilities that hackers are allowed to expose to make malicious actions. As an example, the recent SVE 2021-28139 is one that hackers can use to trigger code execution, which can compromise the entire system. But today, I will show you how by spoofing, which actually means by changing the Bluetooth address and name, we can pretend to be on another device. So to achieve this, I'm going to use Kali Linux on my Raspberry Pi 4. First of all, we need to enable Bluetooth service by issuing sudo service Bluetooth start command. Now we can check if it is enabled just to be sure. Then we can enable our device by using HCI config command. It seems like my device is already enabled, but I'm gonna double check. To do it, we are going to enter sudo HCI config HCI0 up. Now we can try to search for our victim's device, and this is important that the victim should be in Bluetooth discoverable state. So this can be done in many ways. For example, we can just use a GUI program and scan there. Also, we can use BTS scanner, which is not installed by default, but we can install it by running sudo apt install BTS scanner. To run the program, type sudo BTS scanner. It is very important to extend the console prompt since the program GUI won't work with a small window. After this, press I for inquiry scan. There we can see the device's address, class and name. And now we know the victim's address and name, so we can start spoofing. To change the Bluetooth address, we can use HCI tool. Type HCI tool SMD 0x04 0x009 to check what address we have right now. And to actually change it, we are going to enter the victim's address in hex from right to left. So the command would look like sudo HCI tool SMD 0x3f 0x001 and Bluetooth address from right to left in hex code. I'm going to copy the address, open Notepad and make it look right so the program will read it. After this, it is very important to restart Bluetooth service so the changes will apply with the command sudo service Bluetooth restart. To change our Bluetooth name, we can use GUI or SpoofTooth program. Synthesis for the program will be sudo SpoofTooth-i HCI0 -n the name of the device, which in my case is Me90 Pro. So now by using HTI coffee and HTI zero name, we can use that our Bluetooth address and our name has been changed to the victim's address and name. And if there is a device that once has been connected to the victim's device, it might connect to us at some point. I'm going to show how it would look like. So for example, we have two devices that are connected to each other and we have spoofed one of them. Now I'm going to disable Bluetooth on the spoofed device and try to connect to it from the other phone. And at this point, Bluetooth will ask to reconnect, but it won't tell what's wrong, it just will ask for the pins on both devices. So at the end, if end user is not aware of someone spoofing the original device, he will end up thinking that just something went wrong and reconnect to the device, not knowing that it's actually not the device they want to connect to. So the hacker might try to send some malicious file to the end user and he would not be aware that this file is not coming from the phone that he might consider be safe. So, in the end, I would like to say that Bluetooth is one of the most vulnerable technologies that are present today in all kinds of devices. And I guess some of the Bluetooth vulnerabilities won't be fixed in the near future. So, what I would suggest you is to enable Bluetooth on your device only if you really need it, because otherwise you might compromise yourself. Thank you for watching and goodbye.